funded and focused feature. We're looking at building out your financial life. And that's why a credit readiness snapshot is a game changer. It's your first step to clarity, confidence, and control. Here's what it does. You check your credit health to understand where you stand today. You identify areas to improve. You pinpoint what's holding you back. You take actionable next steps. You get practical guidance to strengthen your credit. You get funding readiness plan so you can learn how to position yourself for loans, grants, and investment. And then you get knowledge and empowerment. You build confidence in financial decision making. With that said, imagine walking into a funding meeting knowing exactly what your credit says about you and how it can work in your favor. That's power, that's focus, that's funding.